This is the pattern for your newborn toy. This is what it looks like. Copy the pattern and cut. This is a stretchy fabric and I have the wrong sides together. And I am tracing around this pattern piece and I am marking where the opening should be. Pin the fabric together and cut. Cut exactly as your lines. Sew around the edge with a zigzag stitch, but leave the opening open. I am using this fabric with a long fur. It's a faux fur. And I'm going to trace the pattern on the wrong side. Once you have traced the pattern like this, then you should cut. When I cut in this fabric, I use small cuts so I don't cut the long hair. Put these pieces right sides together and pin the curved line. You need to tuck the hair inside. I sew this line. I am using a straight stitch and 1 centimeter in seam allowance. Lay the circle on the bottom and pin around it. Now you sew around with a straight stitch and leave the opening open. Through the opening you turn the right sides out. The bottom part I'm going to fill with rice to give this toy a little weight. And then I'm going to hand stitch this opening closed. I am using a needle and thread and I am sewing with a whip stitch. Fill the top with filling. And then I'm using a needle and thread and sewing this opening closed. I want all the seam allowances inwards, so this time I am sewing with a slip stitch. The eyes should be quite far apart, so I am pinning where I think they should be placed, and then I am going to sew from one side to the other, so I'm going to sew both eyes at the same time. I have a knot on the thread, and I start on the one side, and then I am threading through the eye and going back again to the other side, where I go through the other eye, and then I go back and forth a couple of times. You want to make sure that it is fastened enough. I am using a felt fabric and I'm cutting circles. You need 4 circles. Fold them in half and place them over the eyes. Pin and make sure that it looks the way you want it to look. I am sewing around with needle and thread, and I am sewing with Neat and Tidy whip stitch. Once your newborn toy is finished, you can make a nice hairdo with a pair of ribbons, for example. If you want this pattern and many more, you can go to my Patreon. There is a link below